Hello everyone, welcome. I'm just showing you today how to take these cute little wooden rounds that you can purchase from Hobby Lobby and turn it into a beautiful Christmas ornament. I'm just taking the color, my favorite Christmas color, English Ivy Green, and applying it to the inside of the wooden disc, as you see right here. And then I'm going to start to apply our Christmas bells. So there's our Christmas bells. I have silver and gold. I thought those would be really, really pretty to make a cute little Christmas tree. Now these are the smaller little Christmas bells. Also, you can find those in Hobby Lobby also. Right now, I am alternating the colors, silver, and gold. I just thought those two colors would look really pretty with the green background that I have going on this wooden disc. All right, so you put your last ornament on, just like so. And now we are going to bling it up. Oh, first, yes, we have some cinnamon sticks. I forgot that we are going to use as the Christmas tree trunk. So there we go. I just took two pieces of the cinnamon stick and I just cut them in half and made the tree trunk. So now I'm just taking a little white paint, going around the edges of the bark of the wooden disc, just like so. So when I apply my product that I'm going to be putting on here, diamond dust, it'll look like almost like white snow glistening on the ornament. It's going to be really, really pretty. So now I'm just adding a little bit of Mod Podge, and that's going to be like the glue that's going to make the diamond dust stick. Now I use a cheese shaker to apply my diamond dust. I think it just goes on easier. And then I'm doing it some more on the other side, as you can see, just shaking the diamond dust on, just like so. It's going to be so sparkly. It's going to look really, really pretty, really, really pretty. And just make sure you add enough Mod Podge so that your diamond dust sticks. If you don't have enough Mod Podge on, the diamond dust will flake off. So I just saw that there was not enough diamond dust on, so I added a little bit more Mod Podge. Now you can use any kind of decoupage medium that you choose to use on your ornament. And now I'm just taking, this is pixie spray, guys. Pixie spray, which I usually use for my stencils, and it gives a light tack. So I'm just spraying it on there so my diamond dust will go on the rest of the ornament, but sparingly, if that makes sense. So there we go. Look how sparkly that looks. Now I'm taking a cute little bow that I sprayed also with the pixie spray on there, and I put the diamond dust on there just so that the diamond dust will stick on the bow. So now I'm just putting the cute little bow as our tree topper for our beautiful Christmas tree ornament. And then I'm going to put it on our Christmas tree. Isn't it beautiful? Look how it glistens. That's with the beautiful diamond dust. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, everyone. Merry Christmas.